Every smooth drive starts with a transmission system you can trust, and a small connector can make a big difference. If you are dealing with a damaged or leaking transmission oil cooler line, this automatic transmission cooler line connector is designed to restore confidence and performance from the first turn of the wrench. Built as a quality replacement, it matches the fit and function of the original equipment connector, helping ensure a secure, leak-free connection between the transmission and the oil cooler. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, this connector is engineered for a precise fit that stands up to heat, pressure, and daily driving demands. Each unit is performance tested and pressure tested to confirm reliable operation, so you can install it knowing it meets strict standards for consistency and durability. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the pre-applied thread sealant that saves time and eliminates guesswork, making it an excellent choice for both professional technicians and experienced DIYers. This connector is an ideal shop supply to keep on hand whenever transmission oil cooler line service is required. It is designed to help restore proper fluid flow and reduce the risk of future leaks that can lead to costly transmission issues. To ensure proper compatibility, simply confirm fit by entering your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool before purchase. If you are looking for a dependable solution that combines accurate fit, tested performance, and installation convenience, this transmission cooler line connector delivers exactly what your vehicle needs. Check the link in the video description to learn more and purchase the product today, and remember to subscribe to the channel to discover more practical automotive parts and solutions in upcoming videos.